Thank you so much. You took me back. I'm very, very happy to be here, guys. This is really my first college visit, and it just happened like that. Your principal saw the film and sent me a wonderful message of how much she liked it. And as she was saying, I'm principal of KC College, Amanpreet, who somewhere sent me a message, sir, we are going to visit colleges. So I thought this is the college I was coming to. But thanks for her message that I'm here. She has, of course, seen the film. How many of you have seen the film? Woo. 5, 6, 2, 4? Okay, good. So let her tell you what the film is about because she's seen it before I have.
Sometimes we invite you for attending conferences. Sometimes we make you attend workshops, training programs. See, we are so nice. Many times we also invite you when it's about Bollywood, it's about movies, it's about meeting stars and meeting those people who actually tell us they have researched about any topic. So first of all, let me extend a warm welcome to Vidhu Vinod Chopra ji, and here with us, youngsters I would say, Adil and Sadia. Yes, I think this particular entire event has metamorphosed in one day, 24 hours to go. And so happened that day for yesterday when I was watching movie on Sunday evening, and I so said that I must watch this movie because I like the Dal Lake, the picture, and the thought behind the beautiful word Shikara. And of course, I knew it has to talk about the untold story. And I would touch upon the word untold, and I would underline it. Yes, it was untold. And most of us do not know about what we are talking about. Hence, you have not watched the movie. So when principal is watching movie, I think you also can. It's cool to watch movies. Well, I'm always amazed to watch Vidhuji's movie and right from patriotism and in the backdrop of love. I would say ethos and pathos of patriotism in the backdrop of love. And what the tagline when I was going through when I was watching the movie, it was. And after that, my family says that you do not even move throughout the movie because somewhere I was connecting to the partition of India. In my office, I told Vidhuji, the very institution you are sitting in was founded by Principal K.M. Kundani. I never call him late Principal K.M. Kundani because for us, for the students, for the teachers, and for all the teachers and students who are still getting educated or learning, they owe to him a lot. So in the movie, when Adil and Sadia, when I watched them, that the spirit, they continued even after displacement from their motherland, Kashmir, and they get into refugee homes. And I was not liking the word refugee home, and we still call that. Why refugees in your own country? And that statement also hit me, refugees in your own nation. It was really heart-touching. Half Jyotu Kundani, who supported him so that we could have 22 institutions. When after partition, people were working on to have a house, to have a business, and these two people, with of course other wonderful people, Barrister Hutchin Nadwani, they went on establishing institutions after institution. So I could connect, and hence, in the morning, next day morning, or when I was having a cup of tea, I said, let me wish Vidhuji, congratulate him and tell him how touching it was. And within half an hour, I received a message from him. Okay, I can send the crew, I can send the stars. And then I write to him, why don't you come along, or if you are in this part of town, over a cup of tea. He said, done, I'll be there. So imagine this conversation happens in half an hour and the whole program gets set. And it was yesterday. It was just yesterday. I happened to advise principals, Varani, Smati Padhi, all the teachers who were there, come on, tell students that what you wouldn't have heard about it, you will read number of books or research papers. You don't research history. Here is one movie which you must see. It's a must-see movie for two reasons. Number one is it will tell you that we are about religion and the love only can make nations break or make. So this is one takeaway from this movie you must watch. And of course, the second thought I shared with you, that you will actually start boycotting hate. That's what I want you to take this message. So I think once again, I would like to, on this note, I would like to extend warmest welcome to Adil, Savia, and wish them all the best. Because KC Stage is very, very, very fortunate, not lucky for people. Those who have come here, they become stars. And one more thing I must share this with them because I'm talking of stars. So always a parting note, because morning you were trying them to come here. Rather, I just started the message. In the evening, I said, looking forward to meet you. And he says, by the way, it's my first college. So I thought maybe for Shikara, it's first college. He's saying, I said, even otherwise, he's saying yes. So I think it's the first college of Viduji to visit. So it makes very, very important occasion for him. But on your behalf, Amrit and Hunar, you must know this. I promised him something. I told him, Viduji, then this day will be very wonderful and memorable one for you because you are coming to KC College. So on your behalf, did I make the promise? Was the right promise? Yes. So you will have to make it wonderful and memorable one for him by watching this movie and giving wonderful reviews. So are you all ready with me? I have already done it and you must do it, but I will read out and you will wonder your principal is telling you to watch movie. Yes, it's an assignment. And also, second assignment, she tells you, come on, go and review. And by the way, your first college, Viduji, my first review. In my life, I've never given reviews ever. So you have to be an honest reviewer on IMDb. Okay, so you go to that site and please be an honest reviewer. So there will be 4 steps you need to follow. Step 1, imagine I've done my homework, so you must do your homework. So visit IDMB site, open an account with your email ID, Select your screen name. Now you are registered with IDMB. So you need to first register. Step 2 is, you need to search for Shikara. It will come automatically anyway, I saw that. So click on the option, write a review. So when you write a review, submit the review. Check your email box. You will be notified immediately by IDMB team about that your review is being processed, and after that it will come done. So wait, that is not that putting something on site and forgetting about it. See that whatever you do reaches completion. Alright? So after this, you have one more option. If you really want to rate Pandit's story during that 1990 has to be shown, is a movie which shows what his mother went through. A dedication to mother. So it's one story which has been depicted. 1 3 hours movie or 2 hours movie cannot say what the entire episode was for India. So you must submit your, if you really feel that you must submit your voices against dishonest submissions, for that, when you see or when you read somebody else's review, there's an option yes or no. The question is this review helpful? There are 2 options, yes or no. So you need to report that. So if you think that's dishonest, please click on no. That you will decide. So do the same action for every review that you feel is not genuine. Because if social media is power to tell what is right, you use that power to even convey what is not right. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Use that. Use your intelligence, read. But you should be the reviewer. You should watch the movie and then talk about this. Alright? So all the best. Good children, and you must, I thought all the children, but I just said it, whatever happens in the world, one thing I will tell you is you need to decide whether you want to, there are 2 choices always, love and hate, what you want to pick up is your choice. Right? All the best, once again, welcome to Viduji.
Thank you so much. Your homework given to you by your principal. Let me tell you why this homework is given to you. This is a very, very special film. This film talks about events that happened before all of you were born. 30 years back, 4 lakh Kashmiri Pandits were thrown out of their homeland, and my mother was one of them. And I am technically a refugee in my own country because I am from Kashmir. And of course, the film opened to great reviews everywhere. It opened in LA where people called it Gone with the Wind from India. I'm sure you may not know that film, but I presume you would have heard of a man called James Cameron who directed Titanic and Avatar. He called this film a masterpiece, not once, but in a huge 4-page letter. And then we come to India, the film releases to full houses and great reviews. And then suddenly there's this whole hate wave that happens. I'm not on Twitter or social media or anywhere. And what became a big surprise for us, that our ranking, which was 8 or 9 in IMDb, dropped to 1. And Abhijat Joshi, who's my co-writer, who's written Munna Bhai and who's written 3 Idiots, said, how can this be? And then we found that on this social media, people have now started misusing it by actually putting videos out there saying, oh, this is how you press the button and give it 1. So the reason I'm here to tell you is not for myself. This is your future. I don't want your future to be my past, which was painful. We had to leave. It's a very entertaining film. You will hopefully love it, like your principal has and many others have. But the important thing for young minds now is they have a clear choice, like your principal said. You have a clear choice between Samvad and Vivad. In Hindi we say that. And in simple English, it is love or hate. It's harmony or discord. So if you guys see the film, which I request you to see, and if you like it, if you don't, I fully understand, but if you like it, say it on your social media. I think you need to understand that it is you. You are the future of this country, not me. I'm 67 years old. I don't think I will be there for another 30 years or 40 years, but you will all be there. And I definitely don't want you to go through what my mother went through, what I went through. I mean, let me tell you, I mean, it's, now that I'm talking of young students, when I was a young student in the Film Institute, I had no money to go there. I became a National Scholar of India, fortunately. I topped my university in Kashmir, and I got $250 from the government of India. With that, I went to the institute. And the fees was some 150 years old. Every morning, every kid had breakfast. I didn't. That is how I started. And I used to have one banana. But I have all my life not made a single compromise, whether it is 3 Idiots, whether it is Munna Bhai, whether it is Shikara. In every film, I try and give you guys a message. I was so happy when you reminded me of that film. Because in Munna Bhai and BBS, I talked of Jadoo Ki Jappi. Then a critical message I gave to young people in 3 Idiots, where I said, you know, chase excellence, success will follow. And I am happy to say that many lives changed with that film. And if you haven't seen 3 Idiots, you must see. How many have seen 3 Idiots? Good. See how it changes your life in a way. It tells you, if there's a great line in that film which happened to me. My father said, when I told him I want to make film, so he slapped me. We were poor in Kashmir. He said, "Kukha mat jayega Bombay." So then, in the film, there's a line where Madhavan tells, my father tells him, don't do this, don't become a photographer. And karoge to sari umar apne aap ko koso. And he says, I'd rather कि मैं अपने आप को कोसूं instead of you. I don't want to, koso my father or me. If you remember that moment. And all of them became, Rancho was a bit of me because I failed in the Film Institute. It's only when I got nominated for an Oscar that they had to give me the certificate. So, same way in Shikara, we have a very important message. And the important message is, Todo nahi jodo. And like all is well, so why Todo nahi jodo? Because we are at a stage in our life here now, where it's becoming a norm to Jodo Nahi Todo. Everything is breaking. The systems are breaking. The city is breaking. So why I want you guys to see this film, and I'm here to urge you, because you people will have to spread the message of it's our future. Like young kids are fighting about climate change, as you must know, I hope, because this is your city after 30 years, after 40 years. Fix that rubbish, whatever, and if you don't, it's okay, but it's important for you to see for the simple reason that the message of Todo Nahi Jodo has to come from you guys. And the film was done with great problem. Let me show you a little bit. Can we show them the Ameerakadan sequence? I just want to show you a bit of the sequence of how we shot the film under great stress with the great threats. Can we do that now? Then we can talk about it. Thank you. The reason I showed this one to you is all of you will have obstacles in what you want to do. All of you will have problems. There will be problems like this where there will be a direct threat on your life, or there will be simpler problems, and all of you will have problems in whatever you wish to do. I'm going to stop talking. I'm just going to say two things. Number one, like 3 Idiots, never ever waver from your dream. I'm standing in front of you. I'm son of a family that was refugees. I had no money when I grew up. And here I am, so happy, so successful at having done so many things. Because this was my dream. And I just blindly followed it. When I was going to shoot in Ameerakadan, I was told if you go there, you may not come back. But not only me, the whole crew went and we shot the film. So never ever let anything come between you and your dreams. As your teacher says, or your principal says, can you tell me, is that a promise? Will you do that please for me? Will you clap and say, yes, we will follow our dream? Thank you. And these two kids that I'm going to give the mic to, when you see the film, you will know how brilliant they are. I have found a lot of talent, as you know, from many people, many directors, Sanjay Bhansali, actors, Vidya, many to many. These are two of the best talents that I've spotted, and your principal will vouch for that. And they also followed their dreams. This girl is from a village called Bhadarwa in Kashmir. She was studying electric engineering in Jammu. She has never acted in her life, not even in a school play. And you see what she has done. And the guy, again, never acted, nothing, since zero. 2.5 years they trained, and they've done absolutely amazing job, which you will see.
सिर्फ 2 मिनट की मोहलत चाहता हूँ. इससे पहले कि हम असल में आगाज करें इस पूरे महोत्सव का, I would like our principal ma'am to felicitate Vidhu sir and Adil sir and Sadia ma'am. A small token of appreciation from the entire family of KC College. I don't think I could go. Let's have a round of applause for Nikita Shukla, guys. Sorry, sir? Yeah. Please go ahead.
Kasakai, KC College. I don't think this won't work. I know what works now. क्या बोलती KC College की public? It's such an amazing feeling to be with you guys here. Young people, young energy, and you guys, like sir said, are the future of this country. And it's so amazing to be with you all. Are you guys having fun, yeah? Are you guys seeing something, learning something, understanding something? Huh? Yeah, are you guys going to go watch a film? Raise your hands if you're going to go. Are you guys going to go watch a film? Wow, lovely. Thank you, principal ma'am. Thank you very much. You're such a cool principal. Isn't she cool? Thank you very much. I don't know what to say. You guys are students, you guys are bright students, you guys are studying in one of the best colleges in the city, in the country. So you guys are already sensible enough to know this. But I just say, what has happened to me and Sadia, this is like a dream come true. And we really want you all to know and understand the power of dreaming. You know what I mean? Dream big. Never ever dream small. Always dream big. You don't know because you'll never know when your dreams will come true. You know, just dream big. This is exactly what has happened with both of us, and you can see what has happened. We don't have any filmy fathers or godfathers or anything like that. Like Sir said, we have never acted before, but you know, we dream. And something like this, being a part of something beautiful and so nice, it's just amazing. I would really want you all to go and see our film because I'm sure that once you see it, you have another mic? Yeah, this is better. Is this better? Is this better? Yes. Can you all hear me? Yes. Perfect. Can you all hear me? Lovely. So I was talking about how this movie, we got in this movie and we managed to deliver a very beautiful message. We went to Kolkata, we were in Delhi, now we are in Mumbai, we are interacting with people who have seen the film. They are loving the film and we are very happy because what we thought, the message that we wanted to deliver, we could manage to do that. And I would really want you all to see the film because as Sir said, you guys are the future of the country and you guys need to understand the importance of love, companionship, togethership, because that's what the movie is all about. That is what it's going to teach you. Thank you so much, KC College. This is so lovely. Wow. Fabulous.
Hi guys. I see like almost 3 years back, I was just sitting amongst you, like I was one of you. Little did I know that I would one day be here. I just, for example, you guys are sitting here with your friends, but you don't know what's the history of the other friends. Similarly, I was in an engineering college, and I was between Kashmiri Pandits, Muslims, Sikhs, everyone. And I didn't know this next friend who's sitting next to me, from where she is coming from. All these things I didn't know. I'm sure you also don't know from where the other person sitting next to you is coming from. We just, we're together, loving, studying, learning. So, similarly, when I came on board, when I came here, I realized that how much this story is important for all of us, for all of you to know. I feel extremely blessed to be a part of this film because this story is absolutely important for our generation to know and realize that how important is love, how love can conquer hate. That's why I appeal and request all of you to watch this film. And I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, who's very supportive. I mean, she's super cool, and I guess you guys are really lucky to have her. And thank you so much. I mean, I'm not. I don't have much to say. I just think this film is very important for our generation, for all of us, so that we learn what has happened in the past shouldn't happen in the future. Yeah.
सर सबसे पहले एक चीज सर आपकी आवाज में वजन बढ़ा है सर इतने अच्छे मॉनिटर्स कभी नहीं सुनाई दिए सर इनकी शान बढ़ा दीजिए फिर से
सर आपको माइक की जरूरत नहीं है सॉरी
क्या बोला आपने रिपीट की
आपकी आवाज में वजन बढ़ा है जी सर आपको माइक की जरूरत नहीं है आगे माइक में सुनाई दे सकता
I didn't know anything about this man. It just happened. So I don't know how to react to this when people compliment my voice. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Yeah.
सर अभी तारीफों की कोई बात नहीं है पर आप तशरीफ रखिए सर अभी शुरुआत नहीं है सर तो so let's begin.
We are questions.
We'll go to that. ये एक तरह से मुझ पे लालत होगी अगर मैं इस प्रोसीडिंग्स की शुरुआत उस चीज़ से ना करूँ उस चीज़ के मेंशन से ना करूँ जिसने एक तरीके से जैसे कि सर के शब्दों में खुद कहा कि जनरेशन को मोल्ड किया है यू सी मतलब कई बार गधों की रेस में घोड़े दौड़ते लेकिन कौन सा घोड़ा जीतेगा उस पर पैसे लगाने वाले की भी एक नजर होती है ना कि मैं ये घोड़ा जीतेगा और वो उस पर पैसा लगाता है और वो घोड़ा जीतता है तो Bollywood, which produces the most number of films than any other movie industry in the world, उनमें ऐसे पिक्चरें निकालना जैसे मुन्ना भाई MBBS हो, जैसे लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई, या फिर थ्री इडियट्स हो, वो एक काबिल तारीफ बात है, who has worked tirelessly as a producer. So मैं अगर मैं झरना होता सर, मैं यहाँ फूट के खुशी के आंसू रो रहा होता, because I am telling you, सर आपने पूछा था कि आप लोगों ने 3 इडियट्स देखी है कि नहीं? सर असल में क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए था हुनर के शब्दों में कि कितनी बार 3 इडियट्स देखी है, और जब मुझे पता चला वो तो उंगलियां दिखा रही है कि ज्यादा उंगलियां होती ज्यादा उंगलियां दिखाती हो, और जब हमें पता चला कि कल कास्ट आ रही है, डेब्यूटेंट्स आ रहे हैं, और मतलब मैं ये भी कह रही कि जब घर में कोई नए आते हैं ना, तो सबसे पहले उनकी खातिरदारी की जाती है, मिठाई सबसे पहले वही तोड़ते हैं, समोसे उनको परोसे जाते हैं, तो ये जो नए सदस्य हैं इनका जोरदार स्वागत कीजिएगा। वेलकम टू द इंडस्ट्री। और keeping in mind that आप लोग पहली बार एक्ट कर रहे हो इतने बड़े प्रोजेक्ट में, आई एम श्योर यू गाइस हैव डन अ ब्रिलियंट जॉब, क्योंकि अगर सर ने कह दिया तो फिर और किसी की वाहवाही क्या चाहिए। I wish you all the luck in the film industry, and God, Allah, may the force be with you like they say in Star Wars. Alright, can I have Hunar on stage? The tallest guy in the auditorium who is giving competition to others right here. Yes, it is entire Shah Rukh Khan mode. Alright, so we're gonna kick this off. Okay, we're gonna start with a very simple question. So, पहली चीज, सर 3 इडियट्स के बाद पैसे कितने कमाए सर?
बहुत सारे
सर तो
लेकिन मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि 3 इडियट्स का फर्स्ट डे का ओपनिंग था 33 करोड़। और हमको पता था कि जब हम सितारा बनाएंगे तो हमारा फर्स्ट डे ओपनिंग 30 लाख होगा, लेकिन इसके बावजूद हमने 11 साल लगा के ये फिल्म। So whatever you do, whenever you do, for all of you, the moment money starts guiding you, you don't remain who you were. मैं आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताता हूँ। अभिजात जोशी जिसने 3 इडियट लिखी थी, मुझे फोन करता है अहमदाबाद से कि सर पिक्चर चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा। तो अहमदाबाद से मुझे फोन करता है अभिजात जोशी कि सर पिक्चर तो हिट होगी। मैंने कहा कहता सर कितनी बड़ी हिट हुई? मैंने कहा बहुत बड़ी हुई। कहता सर वो मैंने प्यार किया से ज्यादा। वो दूसरी कौन थी अशोक की जो कहता उससे भी ज्यादा, वो दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे। मैंने कहा हाँ उससे भी ज्यादा। तो लॉन्ग पॉज द गुज्जू टू एंड देन सेड कि सर लिखते टाइम तो सोचा ही नहीं था। तो मैंने उसको कहा अगर तू सोचता ना तो हम ये लिख नहीं। तो आपको मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि और आज का जमाना देखिए कितना फनी है कि मैं वो फिल्म बनाता हूँ जो 30 करोड़ पहले दिन करती है। जब मैं 30 लाख की फिल्म बनाता हूँ अपनी माँ की मेमोरी में, तो कई लोग कहते हैं कि इसने ना कश्मीरी पंडितों की पेन को कमर्शलाइज कर दिया। तो मैं कहता हूँ भैया कमर्शलाइज कौन करेगा? जो 30 करोड़ कमा के 30 लाख के लिए फिल्म बनाता है, ऐसे गधे हैं। लेकिन मैं जो आपसे कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप गधे हो। Never let money guide what you have to do. Never.
सर मैं एक चीज कहना चाहूंगा सर, मैं उस चीज पे तो आऊंगा सर, जैसे आप हर बार बात पे खड़े हो जाते हो ना सर वो चीज बड़ी अच्छी लगती है। आप 7 इयर्स के होंगे सर, यू माइट बी 67 इयर्स ओल्ड सर, बट सर इंशाल्लाह वी विल टच अ सेंचुरी सर, क्योंकि अभी हम दोनों को भी आपके साथ काम करना है सर।
सर मेरे साथ काम करने का एक ही तरीका है। ये 2000 कैंडिडेट्स थे for this role we went through. These kids are brilliant, that's why they are in the film. They are not any, there is no nepotism, किसी के बाप के बेटे नहीं, मेरे बेटा मैं ये फिल्म नहीं बनाता था हीरो का बेटा ले लिया और हीरो की मां बेटे ले लिया। अगर आप काबिल बनेंगे, जैसा मैंने 3 इडियट्स में कहा था, तो कामयाबी आपके कदम चूमेगी। जैसे
सर आज से जंग शुरू हो गई काबिल बनने की, आज से काबिल बनने की तरफ क्यों कहते हैं? सही कह रहे हो ना, हम काबिल बनेंगे ना आज से।
सही कह रहे हो
सर हम तो आपकी टीम से भी बात कर रहे थे कि हम भूखे पैसे काम करते रहेंगे सर, लेकिन काम करना है। हमने पूरे तरीके से अपने आप को पेश किया है
सर। उसको तो ईडी कितने इतनी मेहनत किया उसने एडी बनने के लिए। एक रैंडम शूट चल रहा था मेट्रो के आसपास, वो ऐसे ही चलेगा, बिस्किट बांट रहा था बेचारों को सबको। वो इतनी मेहनत करता है वो बेचारा, लेकिन उसको काम नहीं मिल रहा, मुझे भी काम नहीं मिल रहा। मेरे फादर ने मेरे पे कितने पैसे लगाए लेकिन कुछ रिटर्न नहीं आए।
तो इसी के साथ पिक्चर से रिलेटेड कई दिलचस्प बातें हैं जो हम करना चाहेंगे और ऑडियंस के पास भी बेशक कई क्वेश्चंस होंगे। एक छोटा सा सवाल सबसे पहले, सर आपने इंडस्ट्री में खुद से शुरुआत की, बड़ी मेहनत की, कोई कॉन्टैक्ट्स नहीं थे, कोई गॉड फादर नहीं था जैसे लेमैन्स लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं। 3 इडियट्स आई, मुन्ना भाई, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई, 1942, और फिर आप इतने समय बाद डायरेक्टोरियल वेंचर में आप वापस आए। तो अभी तक इंडस्ट्री का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है? क्योंकि अगर बाहर की नजरों से देखा जाए तो लोग कई चीजें बोलते हैं कि ग्लैमर की इंडस्ट्री है, धोखाधड़ी होती है, लोग पैसे के पीछे भागते, जैसा आपने कहा। आपका अभी तक का बॉलीवुड का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है? क्योंकि बंबई में रोज लाखों करते हैं एक्टर बनने के लिए, डायरेक्टर बनने के लिए। अगर एक एडवाइस हो और अगर एक्सपीरियंस संक्षेप में हो तो वो क्या होगा?
देखिए, मैं बहुत ही सिंपल सी एडवाइस होगी और कोई उसमें मेरे को कंफ्यूजन नहीं है कि अगर आप काबिलियत की तरफ चलें, आपने एक्टिंग का, आप उसको फॉलो करें, तो कोई आपको महंगा लाल रोक नहीं सकता। ये तो मैं आपको बता दूं। आप सोचेंगे कि अच्छा मैं कुछ ये शॉर्टकट मार लूँ, यहाँ से निकल जाऊँ। जैसे ये फिल्म जब आप देखेंगे तो इसको 11 साल क्यों लगे, जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे आपको पता चलेगा। अभी मैसेज आया, मैं आ रहा था, बहुत अच्छा लगा। उसने मैसेज वाले ने कहा है, पंडित है, 5 साल का था जब ये हुआ, कहता कि इतनी खूबसूरत लव स्टोरी तो मैंने अपनी माँ और फादर की नहीं देखी, बहुत खूबसूरत लव स्टोरी है। लेकिन जो उसने कमाल की बात कही, कहता है कि जो वायलेंस थी उसमें सिर्फ शैडोज थे। जब मैं 5 साल का था तब भी मुझे किसी का चेहरा नजर नहीं आया। तो जब आप ये फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि जो 19 जैन की सीक्वेंस है जिसमें पूरी वायलेंस होती है, उसमें मैंने 8 दिन शूट किया, क्योंकि मैं एक भी जो परपेचुएटर ऑफ क्राइम थे, एक भी आदमी का चेहरा आपको नहीं दिखा रहा हूं, सब शैडो है। और इसका कारण है कि जो वायलेंस है, जो हेट्रेड है, वो फेसलेस है, और जो मोहब्बत है, जो हार्मनी है, सिर्फ उसी का चेहरा है।
Sir, I have a question for you on behalf of all the filmmaking students here in the audience. There are a lot of filmmakers in the audience who are sitting here, and I want to ask you this question: what has the journey been like since your first film to now? What has the journey been like?
It's been fabulous. I cannot tell you how happy I am here today with you young people, because you young people are the least corrupt. When I meet older people, most of them are corrupt. And when I have to, and this I must tell you, even now when I feel, am I doing the right thing or the wrong thing, I always seek inspiration from my young self. I say, what would I do then? And so I seek inspiration. मैं आपको जर्नी बताऊं कितनी स्ट्रेंज रही है। मैंने जो फिल्म बनाई थी, मुझे उसको ऑस्कर के लिए मैं नॉमिनेट हुआ था 79 में, तो आप में से कोई शायद पैदा नहीं होगा। तो उसके बाद जो भी मैंने फिल्म बनाई, खामोश बनाई, परिंदा बनाई, परिंदा भी आप देखिए, आपने नहीं देखी, 1942 लव स्टोरी। हर फिल्म में मैं क्लियर था कि मुझे कोई मैसेज बताना। अब मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, आपने 2 मुन्ना भाई देखी, बहुत पैसे कमाए मैंने, तो मैंने तीसरी क्यों नहीं बना ली यार, ये 10 साल में चौथी क्यों नहीं बना ली? ऐसा तो नहीं कि मुझे बहुत पैसों से नफरत है, मजा है, आ जाएंगे पैसे और आ जाएंगे, लेकिन मेरी स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी नहीं है, अभी तक ठीक नहीं हुई, तो मैंने नहीं बनाई। मैंने ये फिल्म बनाई है जो मुझे पता था कि पहले दिन बहुत कम लोग देखेंगे, अब लोग देख रहे हैं। आप मतलब वही हुआ जो पहले दिन जो ट्रेड पढ़ने थे, उन्होंने कहा था भैया इसका 30 लाख का बिजनेस होगा। पहले दिन हमने 1 करोड़ 20 लाख किया, 4 times what they had to do for this one. We've already done more than 5 crore, which is नए लोगों के साथ होता नहीं। लेकिन मैं कहना क्या चाह रहा हूँ, क्यों हैप्पी रही है जब, क्योंकि नोइंगली अननोइंगली तो हो गए होंगे कॉम्प्रोमाइज गलतियाँ, नोइंगली मैंने कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज, कभी जिंदगी में कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया। और मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप मत कीजिए, क्योंकि जो कॉम्प्रोमाइज फेसेस और लोग होते हैं ना, वो 67 में ऐसे खड़े होकर बात नहीं
सर आप 67 की तो लगते नहीं हो सर। सर आप 67 की तो जरा भी नहीं लगते हो।
सर फिर खड़े होने वाले थे। सर मैं सर सेकंड हाउस को सेकंड थॉट किए। तो अब मेरा एक सवाल है और उसके बाद फिर हम ऑडियंस से क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे। मेरा सवाल आप दोनों के लिए है, डेब्यू है, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, ठीक है। मेरा सवाल बड़ा सिंपल सा है कि सर के अंदर काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है, और स्पेशली जो सर ट्रेनिंग की बात कर रहे थे जो इतने लंबे चली है, वो ट्रेनिंग कितनी रिगरस थी, क्योंकि कश्मीर का डायलेक्ट को उस बात करने का लहजा अलग होता है। फिर आप जब एक इतने सेंसिटिव चीज को पोर्ट्रेट कर रहे हो तो उस चीज का एक्सपीरियंस कितना रिसर्च गया है, वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
First ask me, the person who watched the movie. I was feeling whether I should be happy for them or really was watching them perform कि विदु जी ने कितनी मेहनत करवाई है. So Sadia, imagine both of them, they are studying students or they are working and they fall in love. I shouldn't tell the story, right? Yeah. Then they go through the phases, tragedy, fear, and old age, and then, I don't want to say at the end, and love. And throughout the 30-40 years they're together, I mean, if you see in one film, these two new stars, I don't think they would get opportunity to go through all the phases. Now they can touch on any movie, they say we have played it. So this is what, as an audience, I felt young stars can do this because Viduji, you could get this done from them. And I realized that they have no even training, basic training, and you have trained them. I think it speaks for itself. So now, from the stars themselves. Go ahead.
Working with Vidhu sir, I don't know, I can't express it in my words because it's so magical. ये तो जादू की तरह था. So I'll talk about myself and then Sadia will talk about her journey. I got it because of my voice. So that was the goal, you know. So my character that I play in the film, Shiv Kumar Bhatt, he's a shayar. He recites Nazm in the film, which you will watch when you watch the film. So, वो भी सुना, सब सुना दो, बहुत खुश होता है. हाँ, हम लोग साथ में सुनाएंगे अभी. तो उसकी आवाज़ थी जो कि सर को चाहिए थी. So that's how I acted. And after that, for 2.5 years, constantly, almost every day for 8 hours, we were with Vidhu sir. And he taught us how to actually live each and every moment that we were playing in the film. The entire story, if you watch the film, you will know that not even one single tear also that you see in the film is unreal. Everything is real. We have really lived those characters. When we just got it, me and Sadia, since that day, sir started calling us Shiv and Shanti. And we've been just that. He taught us the process of actually living those moments, actually living that story, and we were into it. And I have my ancestry from Kashmir, but I was born and brought up in Bhopal. So what we have shown in the film also that how when you go away from your land, slowly the culture, gets a little away from you. So I had to revisit my entire culture, understand Kashmirians, understand Kashmir. And sir has a friend in Kashmir, he lives in Srinagar, he's a great artist. His name is Masood Hussain. So I lived with him. I lived with him for around 4 months. And the idea was to not go there as a tourist, but the idea was to understand how Kashmir is and how those people are. They have a lot of cultures there. There's one of the culture that the men of Kashmir, every day in the morning, they go to the bakery and buy fresh bread. It's called Nawasa. It's delicious. So, food I tell you. So, Kashmiri food I tell you. So that was my responsibility. I would go there every day in the morning. And that's when the socialize also, chit chat. So that was the entire process. I was there. I read the book which is written by Rahul Pandita, Our Moon Has Blood Clots. We went to refugee camps, we went to Japsi refugee camps in Jammu, met the Kashmiri Pandits. I shot their videos and all, and I used to watch those videos. I completely isolated myself from social media. Can you believe this? I was not on Instagram for 3 years, man. Life was beautiful. Yeah, so I isolated myself. We both isolated ourselves from social media. We were not there. The idea was to be absolutely honest and truthful to what we had in our hands, which was a blessing, a beautiful story with a beautiful person, his vision. It's a tribute to his mother, and it is made with complete honesty and absolutely hearts in place. And we wanted to deliver a message which is the importance of love, togetherness and companionship. And a simple message कि अगर नफरत का दरिया हो और आप मोहब्बत की कश्ती में सवार हो तो आप आराम से पार कर जाते हो. So that's the thing that we did. And about my journey, it's just been beautiful. Sir Vidu sir, he's an institution. Being with him is a constant learning, and I'm just not talking about this art form. I'm also talking about how he is as a human. कि बहुत सच्चे आदमी है, बहुत साफ सुथरे आदमी है सर. और I'm pretty sure कि अभी मैं थोड़ा बहुत बेहतर इंसान बन गया हूँ सर के साथ रह रहे. It's a pleasure. Thank you sir. Thank you.
गाली बहुत देता हूँ, ये प्रॉब्लम है. वो बता नहीं रहा है वो बात.
वो भी बहुत सच्चाई से देते हैं. बहुत सच्चाई से देते हैं वो भी.
Thank you, Shiv sir. Just a little out of context. You're live on Instagram, right? You're live on Instagram, right? Okay. Moving on. Now, can we hear from you as well, ma'am?
So, being with BC, proper university, like, being around him is like you're in some college, but fun college, proper university, sort of thing. I mean, I knew nothing about Bollywood, I knew nothing about cinema. Even now, I don't think I know much about it. So whatever I've learned from him. Whenever you guys, I hope one of you guys or all of you guys get an opportunity to work with him, you realize that his way of teaching you is absolutely different. He didn't, taught us to, teaching us to, just go and act and all. The one thing that he told us that you can't do it without living it. And I think that's what we have done. There was no other way to play this part, this character Shanti, but to live it. Shanti is the name of his mother. So it was really very important to do justice with it. So for me, the only way to do something like this was to live it, to believe. And this is what he has done to us, psychologically, mentally, physically, prepare us. And, told that you are Shanti, you are Shiv, and you have to live it out. Apart from other than all the prep work that we did by, learning more about Kashmiri Pandits or the culture or Kashmir, all those things. Imagine I was from Kashmir. And I didn't know, like I just mentioned, imagine if you are there and you just don't know what is exactly going on. I didn't know the history of Kashmir being a part of it. Imagine I'm born and brought up there, but I didn't know. And when I came here, I realized, shit, I didn't know, then how would the rest of India know? Like, this is so crazy. That's why I realized, this is really very important for all of us to know this story, so that our futures can be different than their past. And it has been absolutely, in one word I would say, magical. Magical, that's it. And I don't have much to say about it. Thank you so much. I just hope you guys watch the film first, because I can only talk about it when you guys will actually watch and realize, and then I can have more to talk about. So it's a request, please watch it.
Thank you so much.
And all of you who are in the film faculty, including my man here, I would say see the film. Pick up a scene that you like in the film, enact it on a simple video, send it to Abhishek Dubey who is sitting there, or to Jesse, they will give you their email, and who knows, maybe you're there in the next movie. There's a line that Amitabh Bachchan's father said, which I firmly believe, Harvansh Rai Bachchan, he said, कि मेरे बेटे मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे. उत्तराधिकारी is inheritance, so if you don't know. मेरे बेटे मेरे उत्तराधिकारी नहीं होंगे. जो मेरे उत्तराधिकारी होंगे, वो मेरे बेटे होंगे.
So now I'm going to open up to the questions in the audience. Do we have questions in the audience? Alright, so we have one young man right there. Yes. You are the lucky one.
Excuse me.
Yeah, hi. First of all, it's a very important film. Now, the question is, I have three questions. The first question is, we saw a film on refugees, that's made, Chicago. Are we going to see a similar film? Because it's the change of the decade, and with 19 lakh people excluded from the first draft of NRC, are we going to see a similar thing like that? First question is that. Second question, how did you move in the territory when most leaders of opposition were, detained at the airport? So that was the next question. So how did you move around? How did you get the entry inside the territory, terrain? And the third thing is, what do you think about the current situation in Kashmir when Mehbooba Mufti and Omar Abdullah getting charged with PSA, Public Security Act? So yeah, that's the current.
See, most of the answers of your questions are already in my film. So therefore, I would really request you to see the film because the answers are there. I have spent 11 years doing this film. I have shot in Kashmir for 1.5 years, as you saw. So you will have the answers once you see it. And let me also tell you quickly, the last question. I am a very, what you call a person who always looks at the bright side and I'm hopeful, I'm ashawadi as they say in Hindi. Or see, none of you knew anything about these pandits. I'm sure nobody knew. Not only you, people in India didn't know. Can you imagine 4 lakh Indians? Where are you from? Where do you live?
I'm from Agra. I know a little bit about the history of the...
Now, wherever you live,
Yeah.
to imagine that you get up one morning and outside your door, there is a little hit list saying, get out of this house within a month or you'll be shot dead. Okay? You think it's a joke. And suddenly the names on the hit list start getting shot. What do? You hope this is just temporary, you pick up your bags because people are being killed as you saw in this making. You leave thinking you'll be back in a week or 2, 1 month. And 30 years later, these kids who were kids and now grown are still in refugee camps. This has happened in our country and nobody knows this. My film has made you aware, at least made the whole country aware of this problem. It is a huge achievement for me that our finance minister, who is from South India, was in the budget speech reciting a Kashmiri poem. I was shocked because the message is gone. Now you ask me, will you do this film? Will you do that? Then let me answer you. I will do what my heart tells me to do. At this time, my heart tells me to take a vacation, so I'm going to take a vacation.
How did you get to enter the terrain when it was so heavily guarded by the army and all?
With great courage.
Just to add to that, like the Oscars took place recently, and Parasite won Best Movie in history. When Suchi Esula chose to Parasite, the director said a very important line which Martin Scorsese had said once, and I think that is the same thing what you're trying to say right now, that the thing which is most personal is the most creative.
Absolutely.
Right, and
Absolutely.
like, what comes from the heart will actually shine through. So we're going to take the second question. Okay, the mic is already with you. Please.
Hi sir, I wanted to ask you why did you not take established actors for this movie?
Yes, that's a very good question. If I had done that, let me tell you, I don't think I would be here. Because I'm here to tell you guys to see my film. I wouldn't have to need to do that if there was Amir Khan in my film. You would see it anyway. Why did I do that? Why did I subject myself to not having established actors, which would be very easy in terms of marketing the film? The only one reason is that I believe, and it was said very nicely by Irshad Kamil, who has written my poems. He said, "अच्छी फिल्म तो बन जाती है, सच्ची फिल्म नहीं बनती." So I have paid a huge price to make a सच्ची film. And these guys, these kids have made me so proud. I don't know, now, maybe you did see it in the trailer, right? There's a scene when these guys are standing with all those refugees behind. They look like them. You feel that it's real. So the reason it was done, even at the cost of knowing the problems, is because ये सच्ची फिल्म है. अच्छी फिल्म तो है ही, ये सच्ची है. अब देखिए जरूर.
And we have another question. Yes, young man.
My question is to Satyabam and Anand sir. Why did you choose this movie as your debut film?
Why wouldn't we? This is the best which could happen to us. It's just so beautiful to be a part of this film. And you know, for somebody, I think all of you would agree to this. We Indians, Bollywood and cricket are the two things which run in our veins. You know, I'm sure तुमने भी कभी ऐसा कभी ना कभी आईने के सामने खड़े होकर शाहरुख खान का कुछ करा होगा. So you know, it was obviously a dream of everybody to come into this industry and be an actor, but at the same time, to come into this industry, be an actor and be a part of a project like this, which is so beautiful. We have shown a journey of 30 years, and this is a beautiful love story based on real events which are happening around that beautiful love story. And the message that we are giving across, the people that we are involved with, we were with Vidhu sir, all of these things were the best which could happen to somebody. And it's, like I say, it's a blessing, and like I said when I started, that you should always dream big, and probably just, the dream just came true. It's just a blessing, why not? Thank you.
Now we can show you the last unit, because I'll have to leave at. So can you show us the last unit and we'll say thank you.
The lights on.
So thank you very much, and after you see the film, if you want to reach us, if you like it with anything, please send your email to vcp@vinodchopra.com. It will come to me and I will respond. Or to Abhishek there, it's abhishek@vinodchopra.com. Or to Anuja there, anuja@vinodchopra.com. Whichever name you remember, please see the film and let us know what you think about it. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Before we leave, we'd like to recite a beautiful poem that both of us would like to do that, which is there in the film as well. And that's the crux of the film. That the poem is about togetherness and love. You'll see Shiv and Shanti reciting that poem in the film as well. Can we do this? Let's do this. So we'll do it. If we have another one. साथ चलना है
साथ रहना है हमें जिंदगी की धूप में हर फिजा बरसात में
ख्वाहिशों खामोशियों ख्वाब और जज्बात में
साथ रहना है हमें साथ चलना है हमें
साथ रहना है हमें साथ चलना है हमें Thank you very much.
So you guys just woke up. Congratulations on that. Alright. So we're gonna bid one last farewell to the entire team of Shikara here, and I think one takeaway which we all have to take is that खुदा ने जवानी बख्शी है, उसे अच्छी चीजों में डालेंगे और जो बनाएंगे सब दिल से बनाएंगे और काबिल बनने की कोशिश करेंगे. रन आफ्टर एक्सीलेंस, सक्सेस तो झक मार के पीछे आएगी सर. जोरदार शिकारा की पूरी टीम के लिए. A movie made out of sheer courage and a film told from the deep heart of our sir here, Vidhu Vinod Chopra. Sir, thank you so much for making this movie, and I hope it inspires us in these troubled times which we're living right now. This is our only hope. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. That's a KCTV to everybody. So we're very proud of it.
Write to me after you see the film.
Yeah, last line, Vidhuji. Last line, I would say that I was very touched when I read about what he had to say in his Wikipedia, that He believes in a wonderful filmmaker, and that says that you continue entertaining, but see that you entertain without selling your soul, and that's what his stand. I think his stand clearly defines what Vidhuji is. Was the reason he is here. And one last thing, principal in her role, and because as parents worry about children, I really want to tell you, I recommend these two kids, Amrit and Hunar, and many more out here in KC College. When this audience was full, brimming with people, and nobody on the stage, and guests did not come for 6 hours, these two, my boys, entertained them, and people did not even realize how much time has passed. So I think give it a big round of applause for Amrit and Hunar, and so much Hunar is there in KC College, and just like Amrit. So I think we shall see through how you reach Vidhuji. Get set, work hard. We will help you through. Love you all. Now study very hard. Alright? Good. Thank you all. Thank you, Sarah.
अरे वाइट का क्या सीन आ रही है? लंबा हो गया।